Welcome. In front of me is a Vernee Apollo Lite, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to go into settings, and from there let's scroll down to storage and USB right here. And at the bottom you should see your storage device, so there is the SD card for me. Tap on it, then tap on the three dots and go into the settings, where you will find format option. Tap on it, and it will give you a message that performing this will, remove everything from the SD card. So if there's anything that you want to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin, otherwise you will lose it all. But assuming you have done that already or you don't want to keep it, tap on erase and format, and the process will begin. Now it's a fairly quick one, only takes a couple seconds, and once it's finished, as it is right now, the card is immediately ready to be used again. So tap on done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.